G'day guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean and today is the first episode in the series of top internet gaming cafes in Sydney. So today we're here at Halo Gaming, which I saw a few weeks ago and I was absolutely blown away. So let's go in and let me show you everything that's going on inside of Halo Gaming. So Halo Gaming is about a 10-minute walk from Central Station here in Sydney. Once you get here, you'll be greeted at reception where you can go ahead and choose the different particular gaming package that you want depending on how long you're going to be here and what type of games you're going to play. And then once you've done that, you can actually come into the room that we're standing in right now. So this is actually, I'm going to call it the lounge area, where you can come and relax. You've got a big TV here set up so you can watch some game streams, watch some tournaments that might be happening. And it's also just a really cool place for you to sort of unwind and take a break if you've been gaming for 3 or 4 or 5 hours. They've got a whole bunch of beanbags here on the floor as well, so you're not just sitting on the ground. And I think it's actually really cool that they're trying to make this a place that you can actually relax, get some space to unwind, and be comfortable as well. So now that's all said and done, let's go into the next room, which is the esports gaming PC room, which I think is absolutely awesome. So the room that we're in right now is the eSport Gaming PC room, and I think this room is what really separates this particular gaming cafe from all the other ones in Sydney that I've visited. So in terms of PC hardware, I'm just going to list the specs to you guys so you know what you're getting here. So in this particular setup, we've got water-cooled 2080 Ti's, we've got 16 gigabytes of G-Seal Trident Z memory, we've got 25-inch 240Hz gaming monitors, which I think is absolutely amazing. We've got Cherry MX gaming keyboards, SteelSeries mice. The headsets are the HyperX Cloud Alphas, and this is $8 per hour if you're a guest or $6 per hour if you're a member. In the actual room itself, you can see all the computers are in these awesome glass tables, so you can see all of the hardware inside, and you've got 6 computers on each side. So you could come in here with a bunch of mates, or if it's a business thing, you could bring everyone, and you could do competitive gaming against each other, so 6v6 if you want to do that, or if you want to just come in here by yourself with a mate of yours and you want to just have that experience that you might not get at home. This is actually an awesome way to have the best hardware for a very, very small upfront price. They've got this awesome lighting on the walls as well. So this is sort of to emulate what it would be like in an esports gaming stadium environment, which I think is awesome. So they're not just doing the hardware, they're actually backing it up with the aesthetic, they're putting in the mood lighting, it's air conditioned, you've got awesome comfortable chairs as well. So I think this is actually probably one of the best gaming environments you can get for the price here in Sydney. So let's leave this room now and go into the next room, and I'll show you what's cool about that one. Alrighty, so the room that we're in right now is called the Pink Razor room for obvious reasons. You've got pink Razor peripherals, so the keyboard, mice and headsets are all pink. You've still got awesome Alienware 240Hz gaming monitors, super comfortable chairs, and the graphics cards are the NVIDIA 2060 Supers. So you're still going to get a really awesome gaming experience. Now these computers aren't in the glass tables, so they're actually a little bit cheaper. You've got $6 per hour if you're a guest here, or $5 per hour if you're a member. In this room, you've only got 5 PCs, which might not sound like a lot, but if you just want to come in here with a small group of friends and have this room to yourself, you can totally do that. I actually personally really like this room. They're trying to create a bit of a vibe here. You've got some nano leaf lighting on the wall, so it's a super comfortable place. So let's get out of this room though, and let me talk about what's on the bottom level, or the rest of the bottom level, before we go upstairs. Alright, so now let's go down the very back of the shop and share with you what I think is really cool about this place, that they're again offering you something unique and something different. So if you want to come down the back here, they've actually got some cool areas where you can play some tabletop games with your friends to give yourself a bit of a break from the video games, or if that's just what you prefer, they've got room here for that as well. So if you want to come in with 3 or 4 people, they've got a table there. And then if you come down the back here, you've got this outdoor area. You've got the amenities obviously on the left-hand side or your right. And you've got some more tabletop games. You've got gas heaters. So it gives you just, again, a different place to be, something different to do as a customer, you don't want to just be always playing the same thing and doing the same thing. This is something unique and totally different that I haven't seen any other gaming cafe do yet. So let's go up to the recreation PC gaming area now, which is actually on the second level. And as you're coming through here, you can actually see you've got here, you know, some cabinets here so you can play some games. Lucky box if you want to get some snacks. They've got snacks. If you want some drinks, they've got drinks. They've got a whole bunch of stuff to keep you fed and keep you happy. Okay, so where we are right now is up on level 2, and this is the recreation PC area. And so this room here you can have for $5 per hour if you're a guest, or $4 per hour if you're a member. So I guess it's their cheaper offering in terms of the room that you've got and the hardware that you've got, but the gaming hardware is still absolutely awesome. You've got NVIDIA 2060 turbos, 16 gig of RAM, you've got the awesome mechanical keyboards and SteelSeries or Logitech mice, super comfortable chairs. The only real difference is the monitors. You've got here either a 27-inch 144 hertz, or on the other side you've got the 240 hertz 25-inch. So depending on the time of the day, you might be lucky and you might be able to get those better monitors. But if you want the curved 27-inch monitors, they've got that here for you as well. So on this side you've got 13 computers. And then up here on this side, you've got 19 more computers. So on this level in total, you've got 32 gaming computers. And when you've got, you know, 25 plus people up here at nighttime and you're gaming and you're screaming or yelling or doing whatever about if you're winning or if you're losing, it creates an absolutely awesome energy. And I can attest to it because I've been up here for 3 or 4 hours late at night on a Saturday, and it's been a lot of fun. The gaming hardware is, I guess, they're cheaper offerings, but you still got, you know, like I said, NVIDIA 2060 turbo graphic cards, 144 hertz gaming monitors. So it's still an absolutely awesome experience. And again, $5 per hour if you're a guest, or $4 per hour if you're a member. Chairs, super comfortable. It's all been blacked out. You've got black painting on everything, or black paint on everything, sorry. So it's nice and dark with this blue lighting. It creates a really cool vibe. And I really like it about this place that they're trying to create a vibe or an energy about every single room that they've got here. Now, before we finish this video, one thing to mention is that they're going to be doing, or they're currently in the progress of doing more renovations. So they're going to be having a level 3 and a level 4 where there'll be even more gaming PCs. There'll be an open tabletop game area like we saw down at the back of the shop on level 1. So the fact that they're continuously pushing the boundaries of what is possible in a building like this with how many games you can play, the different times, how many people you can bring is just absolutely awesome. So I can't wait to come back and check out once they finish level 3 and level 4. So thanks once again to Halo Gaming for allowing me to come here and make this video. This wasn't a sponsored video at all by them. I just really wanted to come here and do this to share with you guys. If you have any suggestions about where to go next, leave it in the comment section down below. If you want to show this video at reception, you're in Sydney, get subscribed because they'll give you a $10 voucher towards your first gaming session. That might mean 1 hour free downstairs or 2 hours free upstairs. And as always, like if you like this video if you enjoyed it, dislike if you didn't, get subscribed, and I'm gonna love you and leave you now so I can go and play some games. Cheers.